Hey everyone, it's Tim Ria here live at Digital Health CES 2014, and that's the International CES. So we have Christian Tarnhed. He's the product planner for Sony Ericsson Mobile Communications. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Thank you so much for having me.
So where'd you travel from to come to Las Vegas?
Yeah, from Sweden, a small town called Lund. So it's been quite a trip because I got stuck in O'Hare in Chicago due to the storm, but 24-hour layover there, and I got to Las Vegas fine. So
is this your first CES? Have you been here before?
It's the first CES for me. I usually go to Mobile World Congress a lot, but this is quite amazing here in Vegas. So
yeah, interesting. So you're working with Ant Plus, and I saw your booth down there in their pavilion, and you just gave me this. Yeah. What do we have here?
This is the new Sony Smart Band from us. This is the first for Sony 24/7 wearable device. So this is a motional tracker, so it tracks all your activities, what you're doing, and it also communicates with your smartphone.
So it does talk to the smartphone. Yeah. So the panel was really interesting today. Can you tell me, it was called Trackaholism, the disorder worth having, and we were at this event last night at the Bluetooth party, and we had all these fitness trackers and everybody's wrist.
Right, so it's really a trend, and there's so much happening in this space. So this device is coming up all over, and it's quite an exciting time to work with these kind of devices, I think.
And so what are you guys bringing to the table this year at CES?
So we think one thing that is kind of lacking is the interpretation of data. So we try to put all the data into context. So not just show statistical data to the user per se, but actually show what you did, what weather it was like, pictures you took, music you listened to when you went for that run, to put data into context. So that makes it easier for you to go back and see what you did and how you did, and understand why you only took 3,000 steps last Tuesday. It's just not a data point. It's more, yeah.
What are all the data points that you dial in? Can you go a little bit deeper with that?
Yeah, so we try to give a holistic picture of your life. So everything from if you're walking, if you're running, also sleep monitoring, but also vehicles, like if you're biking or commuting by car or train. So we kind of paint a more complete picture of your life than just step tracking. That's our take, yeah.
What did you find interesting in the panel?
So much. I mean, there's so much thinking around this. Everything from having a kind of implants in your body to next level stress level detection, and how to figure out what's the optimal values for everybody. So this is quite complicated things, right? And one set of data might not work for everybody. You know, there's different ways to live your life. I think that's what's my takeaway from this panel.
Very cool. And what's your relationship with Ant Plus?
So we here at CES, we launched our new flagship phone called Xperia Z1S. We launched with T-Mobile here in the States, and that has Ant Plus. And Ant Plus being an enabler to hook up with any kind of sports activity trackers out there. So that's how we fit into this mobile health space. Okay. So both by our smartphones and also our smart band. Yeah.
The phones look really slick. They're a nice form factor.
Yeah, I think we're really working hard, and we understand that consumers want something that's really slick and beautiful. So that's the thing we do with the smart bands as well. We want to make sure that the smart bands don't look as a techie device. It has to blend with your clothes and your style. You can switch it up. So
these match my glasses. So I want to thank Gunnar and the guys downstairs for connecting all these devices up. It's pretty cool.
Right. I mean, everybody wants their own style, and for some people, maybe rubber might not be the thing. So we also have like concepts of leather bracelets or textile fabric bracelets. So I mean, everybody's different, you know. So.
Well, thanks so much, Christian. Sony Ericsson Mobile Communications. How do people reach out and get in touch?
So please come down to our booth or check us out online. That would be the best. Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Well, welcome to the CES family, and thanks for your time.
Thank you so much for having me. Yeah.